Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2000 Toyota Tundra. So I got this truck back in 2016. It's a 4.7 Toyota Tundra. It's a 2000. The first year these trucks actually came out. I'm really happy with the all-together performance of it. You know, I put these tires on about a year into it, but with, you know, a 3-inch spacer, and that was probably the biggest mistake I made, honestly. The spacer made it ride horrible, and you know, I guess you learn by your mistakes. And with that, I went and bought new uppers, because with that spacer I was hitting right here in between the old upper control arms and these tires. So knowing I was gonna have to buy new upper control arms for clearance issues, I went ahead and started looking at shock options. And you know, I looked at Kings and looked at Foxes, and you know, I was looking for a already blown performance shock that I could rebuild, because you know, I can't afford, you know, the $2,000 Fox 2.5 coilovers. You know, I got these Icons for $350. Got the rebuild kits, I want to say $25 a piece, and you know, these shocks run brand new. I can't complain. Icon is right up there with King and Fox. After getting new shocks and new upper control arms, I went ahead and started looking at some new rim options, and I decided to get some Method 305 Envies, the matte black. You know, and I really like the way these turned out on this truck. The basic 4.7 liter Toyota V8. I do have an American Racing aluminum radiator. The OEM one was about $180, I want to say, and I had the OEM one fail on me. So I just went and spent, you know, the $223 on an aluminum one, you know, to make sure it wouldn't fail on me again. I have some 3-inch cubes up here on the front. They mount right to the hood. You know, this bracket was actually made for 05 Tacomas, but when you look at cube brackets for this truck, it's about $80, I want to say, online. And you know, these Tacoma ones lined up perfectly, and you know, the hood doesn't move at all. You know, they're perfect. You know, I've wired it simple. You know, I made some simple connectors, wired it straight to the battery, and I went ahead and put the switch over here, actually under the steering column. You know, just hit it right there and they light right up. I bought some Eagle Eyes on eBay. They were about $125 the pair. I recommend everyone doing this. You know, it makes the truck look brand new. And I also went and bought some LED headlights, some Hikaris off of Amazon, and you know, they perform really well. I'm really happy with the lighting on this truck as well. You know, no complaints with this Tundra so far. Got a little bit darker. I wanted to show you guys how these LEDs look. So these are my headlights. These are the brights. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn my regular lights off, and then I'm gonna turn the cubes on. And you know, for $20 Amazon cubes, these are really good. You know, the cubes with my headlights, and that, you know, that's plenty of light for anyone. Taking a look at the radio, I have a Pioneer doubled-in stereo. I'm not sure the exact Pioneer this is, but it has CarPlay. You know, it has your charging, everything USB, aux, Bluetooth. Here's a picture of the lights outside.